Hey, it's Friday at Creative Rods, 6 days to run to the sun. We're going to give you an update today on some of our projects, the Indian Outlaw 59 Apache Pro Touring truck. We'll have it to show. Going to be a long weekend of work, well, long 6 days more of work, so all the way up until the show. So probably have a little video. Well, we're not going to air that before the show, but going to take a trip over, field trip at lunch today to check on our car hauler we call Showtime. It's getting a wrap today, but you guys will see that at the show or here in the next few weeks, or next week. So anyway, we're going to take you on a shop tour, give you some updates on the Indian Outlaw, see what's going on, talk to some of the guys. So stay tuned, check it out. Please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel. Have a good day. What the heck? What? Hey. Hey. Both of you got your legs. Y'all taking a nap? Yeah. For those that were looking the other day, yesterday, there's the motor and the 66.
How y'all doing today? Y'all doing pretty good? It's a beautiful day here at Creative Rods and Restorations.
What do you got going on down there?
This is a
little prep surface.
A little prep area, a little makeshift prep table.
Oh, today is Zach Day, right?
Yes, aka Big Block Day. Which is also our motto. Right there. If you got time to lean, you got time to clean.
I hear you. I like that motto.
Fridays is when we light the fire. Light the fire, put a little gasoline on there.
Light the fire, Paul.
That's what we do. So he's getting ready. Jeremy over there getting ready. He got to get his gloves on.
Let me out my cage today.
Y'all want a little progress update?
Yeah.
We're getting to the Tech Talk version. What we have here, folks, is our Apache build we've been working on. As you can see here, we have going through the bodywork process and going back and fixing a few little things that need to be done. And then we'll sand this down. We're going to put some 2K primer on there, really get it nice and beautiful for you. And then we're going to have to sand this here. We're going to 2K and prime that, make it look wonderful. How are you doing, Travis?
Great.
How's your day on Tech Talk Friday?
Techie.
Techie talking.
Hey, wait a minute.
Hey.
I'm the Tech Talk Travis host.
So how y'all doing out there? Woo! Yeah. I forgot I got to get in my normal normal frame of mind.
What we got going on right there?
This is this is one of a kind. Flush mount glass.
In a 59 Apache truck.
59 Apache truck. You ain't gonna buy this nowhere, and there's only one place to get it done. That's at Creative Rods and Restoration.
Huh. Front and back.
I know.
Front and back. I mean,
like, oh, God,
look at that.
he's
Look
going.
at that. Go back there and check it out. Woo!
No, it needs to be.
That's smooth. I know you got some body work left to do, but
Yeah. It's got a little sanding left. Got a little what? But
Jeremy, you can't ride in it yet,
You got to fine tune it. After we got to get the fingerprints out of there.
I'm just checking it out. Woo!
Crashing bird.
Ricky Bobby. Ricky Bobby.
And that's got to be it. Run to the sun next week.
It is. What?
I said, and that's got to be it. Run to the sun next week.
Well, parts of it.
But it's made your debut.
But look
Gonna
here,
be-
look here. The most important thing that's gonna be down there.
Oh. Whoa.
I probably scared her, buddy.
That did. Hey man, camera broke. Camera broke. Lens cracked. Who's that? It's what's your word? Oh, it was what day?
What day is it?
We forgot about that day.
Big block day.
Yeah, my day's gone.
That is kind of messed up. Oh, God.
In the paint shop tomorrow,
Oh yeah.
getting some color.
Late night last night, what? 11 o'clock?
Something like that, pretty close. Still catching up on sleep, huh?
Is he drooling yet?
Yeah. Hello? Hello?
Oh, hey. Sorry.
Hey, you got time to lean, you got time to clean.
Should never said that. Slam truck. We got a lifted
Hey, did you
Jeep.
tell him about the Silverado we saw? We saw a 4-door Silverado convertible
Where?
coming back from O'Reilly's the other day with Jeremy. Like soft top, everything.
Huh.
I don't know how they did it, but they did it.
How's it look?
It actually looked all right.
It looked
It looked like they took a bed cover
Where we going?
and made it a
Airport.
What are we doing at the
made
airport?
it a
Checking out our new
soft
airplane?
yeah. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we had an airplane wrapped. Awesome.
I think it. I guess it would hold up, wouldn't it? If NASCAR does 200 mile an hour, 300 mile an hour.
What, duct tape?
A wrap.
How many knots? How many knots do you pull when you're in a plane?
Not do I
You
pull?
don't pull knots.
You pull G's.
Not pull knots out of your hair.
Oh, they always said knots. Well,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah,
Yes,
knots
yes.
is speed. But
G's.
G, you don't pull knots. You just knots.
Well, they
is
use
speed.
the speed as knots and instead of mile per hour.
Wow.
G's is the
I don't
gravity
have
strength.
Come on,
It's
Mr. Pilot.
Both.
I don't use knots. My speedometer's got miles per hour and knots. I think it's 15% less with knots. So if you do 100 knots, you're doing 150 mile an hour maybe.
Knots is faster.
No, slower.
Has an airport.
Oh, it says you're going faster.
Airplane in the hangar said we could use it.
Huh? Okay, 50 mile an hour. So
That's
you're going-
kilometers.
Oh, kilometers.
Per hour.
They keep
Oh,
between there for free.
we're doing 2 knots.
Beaches is less than
All right. And why does? I wonder why boats do that.
Maybe that's because they use nautical miles. That's why it is. Nautical miles. When you're flying from here
Straight
to,
line?
Straight line from here to the beach or whatever. It's nautical miles, so they use knots.
Everything's in a
He said, I got knots in my butt hair. Why?
Well,
That is nasty. Listen,
dingleberry.
you guys
Gross.
are on camera right now.
Oh! Sorry, Charlie. What I meant was that I have knots in my
Shoelaces.
Beard.
shoelaces and my underwear.
You got knots in your underwear?
panties.
I walk and they like
Panties in a wad?
suck up in there.
That's a wad. That ain't a knot.
They literally get tied like bunny ears.
Oh my
Bow
God.
tie.
That's talented.
Can you do that? Are you doing that with your butt cheek?
It's like tying a cherry in your mouth.
I'm not sure if this is gonna make it to YouTube or not.
I wouldn't make it to YouTube.
It's called editing. You
No.
can edit that out.
No, this is all the good stuff that people want to see.
And
Huh? So this is the good stuff people want to see.
okay, let's do this one. And action.
See, anybody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that.
Cut.
Cut.
Spray not late.
Brave, not late. That's right.
Oh yeah.
So showtime is
I can live in this.
getting pretty. How am I supposed to get out of
I
this?
can live in
What's
this
that?
right here.
Oh, that must be the
That's the
last strike.
whipper tail.
Yep.
Bye guys, bye guys.
We need one.
We do the.
Look, we need one on the.
Oh yeah.
We need one on the wall.
Ambient lighting? Mood lighting.
Mood lighting.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bow chicka wow wow.
Sweet picture with 3 cars in here.
Well, studio.
Huh?
That lighting on the side like that with 3 cars
We
in
need
here.
a big studio.
I'll do that. Would be neat. That would be really cool. Actually.
Need what?
Get up there from the top and take it down. You know how the airplane, like in the hang of an airplane, when you do that.
Go up dark.
That'd be about the perfect size, wouldn't it?
Hey! Where'd everybody go? Right here.
Hey Blake.